And with a week from now on will be Autumn Watch. And if you were watching last week, you may remember us asking you for the sightings of ripe blackberries. In the last week we've had 211 sightings, a little bit slow actually for this time of year, possibly due to the late flowering of the blackberries due to a late start to spring. But nevertheless, we didn't do too badly across some parts of the UK. 21 sightings in London was the densest population of us seeing those purple spots marking the ripe blackberries. They get a little bit more scattered as we head further north, but we've spied some as far north as Yorkshire. Still though, looking very barren on our map here across Scotland and Northern Ireland. If you do see any sign of those ripe blackberries in the hedgerows, don't forget to click onto the Autumn Watch section on the BBC website and register your sighting and take part in this ongoing survey. Certainly Wales hasn't been doing too badly though in the last week, quite a scattering, particularly close to the coastal areas here. The southwest of England has also been picking up a fair few as well, and certainly I think in the next couple of days there'll be plenty of warm and sunny weather to really help those blackberries on their way. Certainly through the course of tomorrow, the heat if anything will be stronger than it has been in the day just gone, and there's plenty more sunshine set to spread its way across the UK as well. Temperatures for most of us, in fact, tomorrow a fair few degrees up on those we've had today. And we really start as we mean to go on with the warm weather by having a pretty warm night overnight tonight. Clear spells for the majority of the UK, a little bit more cloud for Scotland and Northern Ireland, some patchy rain and showers possible here, maybe a little bit of mist too drifting in to the coasts of eastern England. Temperatures as low as the mid-teens towards the north of the UK, very sultry though, 17, 18 or 19 across southern England and South Wales. So this is the way the day starts across Northern Ireland. Here's that cloud, particularly towards the west, towards the east, so hopefully some early sunny spells. It's a similar east-west split across Scotland too. Some patchy rain likely first thing across the northern and western half, a scattering of light showers for the Highlands. As we get down into the central lowlands though and through the borders, those skies become much clearer, blue skies in abundance, and temperatures here already up into the high teens by 9 o'clock in the morning. Similar story too across the Midlands and East Anglia. Maybe a little bit of fog though through the Thames estuary. That could take just a little time to lift first thing in the morning, and we could just see one or two patches of mist and murk also drifting on to the coast of Devon and Cornwall, maybe a little around Cardigan Bay and for Anglesey too. But essentially for Wales, we're looking at a bright and sunny start to the day. And for most areas, that picture doesn't actually change too much as the hours go by. We'll still keep some cloud towards the northwest of the UK, but I think actually for much of Northern Ireland and Scotland, it will brighten as the day wears on. Elsewhere, we'll see some tufts of cloud developing, but it will stay dry, and it's going to be a pretty hot day for most. Temperatures in the mid to high 20s across the northern half of the UK, into the low 20s though, as we look towards the southeast, potentially 33 degrees in London. The heat continues to climb too as we work further on into this week. The humidity though will also go up, and thanks to lots of energy in the air, you can see another addition to our story, and that's some heavy thundery showers becoming increasingly widespread, I think, as the week wears on. For more details though on the forecast for your area, take a look around on our website.